Okay, guys, take a look at this. I'm going to share with you guys how I made this tomato paste at home. If you're interested, watch to the end and also help me to share. I beg. So what you need for this, you need your tomatoes, your tatashi, and your red bell pepper. This combined together is going to give you that red color, just like the Delica tomato you used to buy. And come to think of it, if you make your stew using red bell pepper and tatashi with tomato, it takes the stew to another level. So this is how I usually store my tomatoes, because I prefer to use fruit tomato like this for my jollof rice. So once I'm done cutting it all with my onions, I transfer it into my baking pan and then I put them in the oven, allow it to roast. So once I'm done roasting it, this is how it looks. Next, I'm going to keep it aside and then we begin to blend. If you don't want to blend it, you can store it like this. For those of you that normally complain that you don't have where to store your tomato, once you make it like this, you use your food storage bag to store it like this in the freezer. Sometimes I do it like that as well. So as you can see, I'm going to blend it very smooth. Make sure you blend it very, very smooth. Once I'm done, I'm going to sieve mine. This pattern here is totally optional. Once you blend it like this, transfer it into the pot again and start to cook it again on a low heat. I don't want to cook this again, so I decided to sieve the water out. So you can transfer this back to the pot and then cover it and cook on a low heat until the water dry up completely. So next, I'm just going to tie it around and allow it to sit like this for the water to come out of it. Like I said, I don't want to cook this one. So I decided to try this method and it's coming out perfectly well. So I'll just tie it very well and then I'll keep it aside, allow the water to just drop out gently. I allow it to sit like this for 7 hours. After 7 hours, I decided to transfer it into my food storage bag. Guys, take a look at this. It came out perfectly well. If you use this tomato paste to make your stew or pasta or jollof rice, you are going to love it. If you use it on your jollof rice, your stew, or maybe pasta, you are going to love it, guys. Take a look at this. And now tell me in the comment section, does it look like something you would love to try? So this is the water I got from the tomato. I'm going to keep it and I'll use it to cook. Thank you for watching. Bye.